Welcome back to JoJo's Fusion Cooking. Today I'm gonna make a spring roll. So it's quite easy. First, you have to put the meat. We have to marinate it. This is minced beef. I got some chopped carrot in here, which is already chopped. So we have to mix that one. And chopped onions, which is make it nicer. Right, put all of them together. And then we put Worcestershire sauce, Leon Parents. And this one, a bit of soy sauce. Put tarragon. Sprinkle of tarragon. And coriander, which I made for the curry as well. I put coriander leaf. It's a dry one. And of course, garlic granules. Put some lots of garlic. And sprinkle of pepper. I always like my spice. And mixed herbs. The one that make it smell nice is the oregano. Well, you can put whatever in your cupboards, whatever kind of herbs you have one in your cupboard, and oxo cubes is the big one. Sprinkle a bit. Then mix them together. So you can put egg, half of egg. Them together, and flour, but I haven't got cornstarch. You can always use flour, raisin flour or plain flour. Put that one. Alright, mix them together. Keep mixing until it's stick together. Maybe a bit more flour, about 4 teaspoons. There you go, they started to stick together. Put more of the yolk, make it nicer. Put more of your oxo cubes. You can always use shrimps, chopped shrimps and chicken, or chopped vegetables like cabbage or carrots. You can use alternative one, alright? Keep mixing. Now that's nearly done. That's what I do. I need to wrap them in a spring roll wrap, which I put it from the Asian supermarket, but you can buy it in any supermarkets. Right. This time you have to wrap them. I think that's enough mixing. that one, you put them in a, okay, there you go. Now it's ready to wrap them one by one. So do this one, you put them in the middle. You put the minced meat, carrot and onion together, put them in the middle and then fold it like that. And then wrap it like that. And then you could always, to stick them, to wrap it properly, you can put egg in the edges. So it will wrap it properly. Alright. Now my hot oil is already hot. We can put we can fry the spring roll. Have to deep fry them one by one. There you go. We can fry them in a batch. There you go, it's nice and brown. And then on the other side, white, but it's okay. So it's not burning. Now look at that, lovely. The towel paper. Look at that, lovely. So there is it. So I made spring roll. If you would like it, please push the button, subscribes and likes. See you next time.